Hi, I'm Pete Fowler, and I'm here to introduce a program that we offer called Analyzing Construction Defects. A big part of our practice includes analyzing construction defects, so this is what we've learned after many years of doing this work. The program is in 7 sections, beginning with an introduction where we talk about the program as a whole. We talk about case studies. In fact, all 7 sections of this program have case studies in them. We talk about the learning objectives, which really are, how do you analyze construction defects? Section 2 is called Construction Defects, where we actually define what a construction defect is, well, at least what we think it is, because different people think different things. We talk about standards of care and standards of practice in the construction industry. We talk about common construction defects. Section 3 is called Construction Defect Litigation, where we actually talk about the process of litigation in a construction defect matter. Literally have a list of the common activities in a construction litigation. We show a little diagram of all of the various parties and how they relate to each other. And then we talk about the construction defect life cycle. Section 4 is called Solving Building Problems. And Solving Building Problems is not only a white paper that's included with these materials that you'll get in this program, it's also a 10-step method that we use literally to apply in the analysis of a construction defect litigation. We also talk about the philosophy of litigation in that section. Section 5 is called Issues, where we drill into exactly what these issues are and how you analyze them. Section 6 is called Analyzing Construction Defects, where we talk generally about logic and critical thinking and how this work relates to the standards that you might use, standards of practice, standards of building performance, construction standards, testing standards, inspection standards. We get down to the bottom line where we talk about exposure analysis for each of the parties involved and allocation of responsibility for those parties. Section 7 is the conclusion, where we talk about what we talked about. We have some homework listed there if you want to dive deeper into some learning, because there's some backup materials in each one of these sections that will help you to understand more deeply exactly how this happens. So in conclusion, there's 7 sections of our program, beginning with an introduction, going on to defining construction defects, talking about the process of construction defect litigation, talking about solving building problems. We have an analytical method that we use, talking about issues specifically, talking about analyzing construction defects, and then a conclusion. Hope you can make it.